Hi friends, welcome to Learn Colours with Fun. Today we're going to explore the magical world of colours. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at all those beautiful colours. Let's learn them one by one. These colours are primary colours: red, yellow, blue. This is red. Red is the colour of apples, ladybugs and fire trucks. Can you find something red around you? This is yellow. Yellow is the colour of the sun, bananas and cute little ducks. Say it with me, yellow. This is blue. Blue is the colour of the sky, the ocean and blueberries. Great job. Blue is so cool. Next, we are going to talk about colour mixing. Did you know you can mix colours to make new ones? Let's try. Yellow and blue make green, like frogs and leaves. Blue and red make purple, like grapes and plums. Red and yellow make orange, like pumpkins and oranges. Now it's time for a colour challenge. I'll show you something, and you guess the colour. You're doing amazing. Let's sing a song about colours together. Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange, all for you. Colours here and colours there, colours, colours everywhere. Red and yellow, green and blue, now I know my colours too. Great singing, friends. Wow, you did such a great job learning colours today. Which colour is your favourite? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and come back soon for more fun learning with us. Bye, friends. See you next time.